Hi guys, would you like to take a look at Johns Lake Landing in Clermont, Florida? Well, that's what we're about to do today. Hey guys, we are in beautiful Johns Lake Landing. It is a community located in Clermont, Florida, located blocks away from Highway 50 off of Hartle Road and roughly 20 to 30 minutes from downtown Orlando. It comprises of single family units, and it first started in December of 2014 when the first home was sold. Since 2019, the prices have been on the rise in this very desirable location. Prices start at $250,968 and may go as high as $870,000. They're still building in Johns Lake Landing. So you can choose from 1,633 square feet of heated living space up to 3,805 of square feet of heated living space. One of the best things about the neighborhood are the views. This community boasts a lakefront homes, with some homes overlooking the pristine and sparkling Johns Lake with private boat docks. Although there isn't a community boat dock, there is a public boat ramp just 6 minutes away. And the amenities include a large swimming pool with a covered area where you can relax and take a dip, a playground for the kiddos, and look at the lush greenery and these lake views. It's a great location if you are commuting into Orlando, with the turnpike entrance being 3 to 5 minute drive. And since the turnpike entrance is right there, you have access to I-4, and you may go to Disney parks and Universal Orlando and all the endless entertainment area things to do in the area. That's all, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.